Okay, hi everyone. We're doing RO56 outdoor activities. Now we started this unit right back at the start of year 9, so it is a while since we've done it. However, I have been giving you work over the last few weeks that looks at that will contribute towards this assignment. So we're looking at LO2, understand the value of participating in outdoor activities. Now what I've done is I've split the assignment into two, so this is part 1 of the assignment. So this format you might have come across already by now. So I'm going to break down this unit into small steps, give you a chance to go away, have a go at some of the assignment with the notes that you've done from the work I gave you on Teams, and then this will hopefully contribute to your assignment once we're back in school. So what you might need will be some paper and pen, and if you can, it would be great if you could get your week 3 Cambridge National prep work that I gave you on Teams, because that will link to this assignment. So the assignment layout then, introduction, benefits from participation, which is this is purely on this assignment, skills that are developed, which will come on another one, and the conclusion. So the marking criteria then, it's like I've said, the assignment I've split it into two. We're looking purely at the marking criteria that's highlighted at the top of each marking band. Not much difference between them all, but if you can have a glance at that, it'll be useful to see how much you've got to include in the final assignment. I'm going to just take this time before we look through the benefits to remind you that these are outdoor adventurous activities. We looked at these in your LO1 assignment right at the start of year 9. So unfortunately you won't be able to use things like football, basketball. So it's things like canoeing, rock climbing, abseiling. Yeah, so just to remind you of that when you start to use your examples through the assignment. Okay, so we're going to look at the benefits of participating. So I've given you the 6 benefits and some help points on each slide, some ideas of what to write, and then hopefully you can create a paragraph for each benefit. So the first one then is increased confidence. So this is a benefit from participating in outdoor activities. So how does your confidence increase when doing these activities? So as you can see around the outside, at first you might be unsure, but the more you do it, your confidence will increase, things like that. And then you might want to link it to a specific outdoor activity, possibly give at least 2 examples there. Second benefit then is for enjoyment and challenge. Yeah, so you participate in outdoor activities for the enjoyment, and that you will then hopefully get the challenge from doing something or achieving something within that activity. So you overcome fears, you might push yourself to do something greater than you've already done, a higher rock face, a more challenging rock face in climbing, for example, and again there's pointers around the outside. Benefit 3 then is to improve health and fitness. Now you will all know this, there's loads of things that will come under this category. Don't be put off by it being outdoor activities, because by any activity, physical activity you do, will increase various elements of your health and fitness. So you can look at the body, being stronger, building muscle, flexibility, better cardiovascular system, but then think about being outdoors, being in the fresh air, being around other people. It could improve your mental health, reduce the chances of mental health as well. So just don't always think about the physical for this one, try and think about the all-round health and fitness. Again, try and link to specific outdoor activities. Number 4 then is environmental awareness. So on your assignments, some of you kind of struggled with this one. Some of you did get some elements that were right. So we're looking at when you do outdoor activities, you need to maintain the environment. So when you're out cycling, try and stick to paths, try not to go off the paths to ruin the natural habitats. Try not to drop litter. When you're canoeing or kayaking in a lake, trying to use the entry and exit points that are provided rather than dragging it over the grass and areas like that. So a few examples there, you can come up with your own, and again link to outdoor activities. 5th benefit then is increased motivation. So how does outdoor activities increase your motivation? So by doing it more often, will give you the motivation to want to do it more, to succeed, to achieve more within the outdoor activity, get bigger challenges within it, want to complete another outdoor activity, give you the chance to complete others. And then 6, socialising. So the benefit of outdoor activities would be you get to socialise with other people. So by doing outdoor activities, you learn to communicate with people about the task, about what you need to do, about the safety, therefore you're learning to communicate. You might then take a break from the activity and you're socialising again during the break with other people. Again, there's some pointers there. Try and link, if you can, to at least 2 outdoor activities. So, what I'd like you to try and do then is, knowing the heading, the title of the assignment, try and put a brief introduction together, and then go through the PowerPoint and look at the benefits of participation, like the 6 that I've just covered. So explain the benefit and then try and link it to 2 outdoor activity examples.